Alright, so let's play with some sounds and some words. We've learned how to break words into their syllables and count the syllables in words. Now let's practice. I will say the name of each picture, and you will say and count the syllables in each word. I'll do the first one. The word is puzzle. The syllables are puzzle. I count 2 syllables, puz and zol. So let's do the next one together. The word is violin. The syllables are vi-o-len. Clap as we say each syllable. Vi-o-len. How many syllables are there? 3. The 3 syllables in violin are vi-o-len. So let's do another one. Picture number 3 are slippers. What are the syllables in slippers? Slippers. 2 syllables. I can clap it. Slippers. Slippers. Whale. Number 4 is a picture of a whale. How many syllables are in the word whale? 1. Whale. 1 syllable word. And this is an elephant. How many syllables are in the word elephant? Elephant. 3 syllables. I clapped 3 times. And then the last picture is number 6, and it is a comb. How many syllables are in the word comb? Comb. I'm going to clap it. Comb. That is a 1 syllable word. So let's keep going. Picture number 7 on this slide is uniform. How many syllables are in uniform? Uniform. 3 syllables. Number 4 is pillow. How many syllables are in pillow? Pillow. 2 syllables. Picture number 9 is of an iguana. How many syllables are in the word iguana? Iguana. 3 syllables. And our picture number 10 on this slide is spoon. How many syllables are in the word spoon? Spoon. That's a 1 syllable word. Good job. Okay, so we're going to keep breaking words into their syllables and counting the syllables. Remember, each tile on the screen stands for 1 syllable, and I can move up 1 tile for each syllable that we say. We will not always move up all the tiles, so we have to count carefully. Let's see, so here we go. Did. How many syllables is did? Clap it with me. Did. Did is a 1 syllable word. Did. Okay. What about didn't? Clap it with me. Didn't. Didn't. Didn't is a 2 syllable word. Okay. What about the word bush? How many syllables is bush? Bush. Bush is a 1 syllable word. But what if I put on an ending? Bushes. How many syllables is bushes? Bush is. Bushes. 2 syllable word. And what about delight? Delight. Delight is a 2 syllable word. But what if I changed it to delightful? How many syllables is delightful? Delightful. And I can move 1 tile for each one. Delightful. 3 syllables. Okay, what about the word could? How many syllables is could? Could. Could is a one-syllable word. What if I had the word couldn't? Couldn't. Couldn't. Couldn't is a two-syllable word. Couldn't. Couldn't. And amaze. How many syllables is amaze? A maze. Two syllables. A maze. All right, but what if my word is amazement? Amazement. And I can move a tile for each one. Amazement. That's a three-syllable word. And the word resist. How many syllables is the word resist? Resist. That's a two-syllable word. Resist. Resist. What about resisting? How many syllables is that? Resisting. That's a three-syllable word. Resisting. Good job. So remember, a contraction is a shorter way to say two words together. To make a contraction, one or two letters from a word are replaced with the mark called an apostrophe. So look at the top words in the orange tiles. I have. We can say these words in a shorter way by making a contraction. I've. To make this word, I replace the letters H-A in have with an apostrophe. Just like that. One job an apostrophe can do is to signal that the word is a contraction. So I have equals I've. I've means I have. And I took these, see my words here? I and have, and I replaced the H and A with our mark called the apostrophe, I've. There. So let's practice blending of some contractions. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. I see the word you. I also see that this word has an apostrophe. The apostrophe followed by the letters R-E tells me that this is a contraction with R. Say the letters and the sounds with me. Y, yeah. O, and U stand for the oo. R, and then the E is silent. Listen as I slowly blend the sounds to read the word. Your. The contraction your is short for U and R. And here's all of it put together in line 3. So read it with me. Your. Good job. Okay, so let's do another one. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. So say the letters and the sounds with me. Y, yeah. O and U stand for the oo sound. Vive, E is silent. So we can slowly blend the sounds to say the word. You've. So what two words make up this contraction? You and have. The apostrophe takes the place of the H and the A. You've. You've means you have. So look at my line 3. We can read the word together. You've. And then, so we'll do one more together. Look at my line 1. I want you to say the letters and the sounds with me. T-H, th. E, Y, yeah. R, and the E is silent. So let's slowly blend the sounds to read the word. Notice that the E, Y, and R are set closely enough together that they stand for our R-controlled vowel sound, R. Ready? Blend with me. There, there, there. And I can read the word there. So what two words make up this contraction? I have the word they, and then I see apostrophe R-E. That apostrophe is taking place of they. They are there. There is a contraction for they and are. Okay, so attached to this Google Classroom assignment is your blend and read. I want you to practice blending and reading these contractions. Look at where the apostrophe is. That tells me when I see these words right here with an apostrophe that this is a contraction. This is a contraction. It's a word that stands for two words. And then we have some R-controlled vowels. Remember, AR says R. OR says OR. Practice blending and reading those, and then blending and reading these sentences. When you finish that and you're really, really good at it, I want you to open up the assigned Start Right Reader, and I want you to practice reading that. Look for any words that have contractions in them. I also want you to look for any of our weekly sight words.